Yo, what's up mga bro? Ako nga pala ang inyong likod, si Slack One. Magandang buhay sa inyo. At binabati ko nga pala lahat ng mga nag-subscribe, nag-follow sa atin sa Facebook, pati sa YouTube. Yan, sa mga bagong followers natin. Biruin mo, nag-umpisa ako dito 140 subscribers. Ngayon, going 500 in just 2 days. Malaking ano yun, malaking improvement. Magandang progress yun sa ginagawa natin. So ngayon, nakahain sa ating harapan ang nag-iisang Kripley ng Pinas. Isa sa mga puwersa ng Bicol Boys. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin Kripley. Okay? Itong video reaction ni Kripley na to ay laban ni boss, ni Enigma at saka ni Fredo, di ba? So titignan natin yung reaction ni Kripley dito. Okay, so di na natin patatagalin to mga tol. Let's go na agad. Let's go.
Guys, ako nga pala si Kripley. Nakakagising ko lang. Ang sarap-sarap matulog. Ang sarap-sarap mabuhay. Ang sarap-sarap kumain. Ang sarap-sarap salmon. So meron nga pala tayong reaction video ngayon. Medyo pangit pa yung lightning ko kasi trippings ko lang din naman to. So di ko alam kung anong oras na ba. Kaya akong tumingin ng oras sa pamamagitan ng pagtingin sa bintana. So tingin ko siguro 1:38. Pero yun, tayo ay magre-reaction video na. Baka mamaya bumili na din ako ng mga pangpailaw natin dito sa tripod kasi pinapatong ko lang to kung saan eh. Pero yun, Enigma versus Fredo reaction video. Tayo na, play na natin to.
Ang napapansin ko dito ay kay Kripley. Biruin mo sa dami-dami ng mga battle sa flip top kasi KOT ditong inaano niya eh. Sa dinami-dami ng mga battle sa flip top, ang napili niyang igawa ng reaction video, tas biglaan pa, kay Boss Arik pa talaga. Malaki rin pangangailangan nito ni Kripley, parang ako eh. Pero suporta ako sa'yo bro. Alam mo naman yan, diba? Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Jumping into the battle to my right, introduce yourself.
Battle my right.
Down, test us, choose a style the best.
Hello.
Don't fool around. Fredo Algebra, Union City, California, Great Muda. Let's go.
No, not there.
Coming all the way
Pansin ko dito kay Fredo, magaling mag-English.
from the Philippines, battle.
Napansin niya daw, magaling daw mag-English si Fredo. Magaling din talaga umano ng mga bagay-bagay si Kripley. Yung alam niya agad sa isang tingin niya pa lang. Ibang talent yung ganun.
To my left, introduce yourself.
Yo, Enigma, Pilipinas, shoutouts Flip Top, Uprising, L-Boys, all that good shit, all my loved ones back home. Yo, I'd like to say, man, believe it or not, it's my first time in the States, so I'm just glad to be here.
Hindi shinout-out ni boss. Okay lang, sige, hindi ko na itutuloy.
So proud of me. Go boss.
Fredo won the coin toss. It is on Enigma. Please hold it down and show love. This dude literally traveled across the world for this exact moment. So let's go.
Osta? Ayos?
Yes, boss.
Yo! You know how I know you're not a real Filipino? You're not just a fat American, you're also a fucking fat Filipino. For real though, fuck your fob-hating upbringing. You should get stomped straight to oblivion for thinking you're some hard Asian mudslinging our race for its rough English. If only you would partake of enough wisdom, you would not save such opinions, because your scarred neighbors was no different from your mom and pop's choppy language when they first lived here. Your large frame that's equipped with a large brain must be a hindrance in being at least half-heartedly thankful you were given a better starting place for you to finish. It would be smart changing that dull vision if you act like a green card ain't a fucking privilege, especially when American really means y'all were part alien to begin with. Of starvation, you have no inkling. You weren't far racing.
Okay. bago natin ano yun si Cripply ang sabi ni Boss Arik dito sa hype na to, hoy, tarantado ang balbasarado ang baho ng hininga mo. Wala kang kwenta mag-rap. Kamukha mo si, ayokong pangalanan. Basta ano din yun. MC din ng flip top yun. Ayun ang sabi ni Boss. Hindi daw uubra. Hindi daw uubra. Yun. Tuloy natin.
So what's up with this big?
Ang inang galing nun, no? Hindi ko naintindihan. Pero galing si Sir Arik magsulat talaga ng mga bagay-bagay, no? Pero
Wala to si Cripply pa video reaction. Wala ka bro. Bumi-video reaction hindi mo naiintindihan. Sayang.
talagang hindi siya, ano, maangas tong taon to. May future to.
Man,
Ang ina, may masabi lang din no. Putang ina. Maangas may future. Tang ina. Hip ka.
no walk of fame on that one stripper. He'll be stargazing when I jump kick him. Teeth will part ways. Blood trickling down his shock face and slumped lips, looking like Art Blakey when he's drug tripping. So try and diss real Filipino shit. You don't know what's
Oh. Sabi niya, inutusan daw bumili ng magic syrup tong si itong kalaban ni Boss, yung hype na to. Hindi daw binalik yung sukli. Isa daw siyang estapador na kupal na nanggaling sa kailaliman ng iba't ibang klaseng departamento ng kamunduhan. Yun ang sabi ni Boss.
survival really means. Never
Yes? Okay, wait lang, Braden Boy
dug a hole in the shit in the jungle and wipe your ass with a leaf. You gonna
Hindi ko na kailangan explain yun. Basta
Gunner
narinig ko
provides
naman.
everything that you would need from a tree. You haven't opened a bottle cap with your motherfucking teeth. You probably
Ibig sabihin, ang ano daw, tawag dito, sabi ni Boss, hinahamon daw, meron daw siyang pwedeng itapat dito sa malaki na to, sa battle, na taga flip top daw, na malaki daw yung ngipin. With the motherfucking teeth, sabi niya, si Saito daw yun. Yun ang sabi ni Boss.
rip your hair out if you lost electricity for a week. You are what you eat and all your shit weak. You couldn't even develop immunity to diseases. You couldn't cook her stomach on adobo made from janitor fish or even fucking zombie pieces. Never hustled on the streets, scuffle with police, get busted just for weed. You don't know what survival really means. I dare you to try drunk and high driving a motorcycle in the Philippines, bitch. Yeah, y'all got try.
Okay, sabi niya daw, kung matapang ka daw talaga, mag-drive ka daw ng motor sa checkpoint, sabi ni Boss, sa Pilipinas. Ayun ang sabi niya.
Advice, back home we don't even need guns. Every day you can die right when any vehicle drives by. To get it straight,
Ayos! Malupit! Magaling!
to get it straight, Holmes, it's peso, not peso. Your name should be Fredo and not Fredo. If you ever came home, I'd introduce you to real Fredos to make you feel safe, yo, but you would still be afraid, though. Fuck Fredo and fuck J-Bro. But J-Bro helped me with my visa and married a Filipino, so now he's cool based on my say-so.
Okay, pag-explain
Totoo
natin
lang,
siya.
tumawa lang ako. Kasi nag-react sila.
Diba? Wala to. Hindi niya kayang i-explain dahil si Cripply, may may allergy to sa English. Hindi ko alam ba't ito pa rin niya. Ang sabi ni Boss, teka lang, ulitin ko
My say-so.
Ang sabi niya daw, hindi daw sila balanse pag nagsiso. Islang hindi daw sila babalanse pag nagsiso. Mabigat daw tong tong kalaban ni Boss. Yun, sabi niya.
Totoo lang, tumawa lang ako. Kasi
Tangina mo.
nag-react sila.
Wala ka, gago. Tangina mo. Video reaction wala kang naintindihan.
Pero, visa niya saka makapagpasok sa Pilipina. Rubber boy ito siya. Malupit to.
J-Bro, just playing, bro. Yo,
Just play,
you're
bro.
in quite a predicament. For all those years of trying to fit in with your rhyming style considered slightly more
Yes, what happened? Angel, stop fighting. You play. Okay, let's continue.
More interesting because it doesn't remind them of flip shit, so they're surprised by your pigment, acting like you've got no pride in your kinsman. You've picked your side, you might as well drop the hyphenated description. Then Flip Top goes wild on the internet and all of a sudden he's dying to visit.
Tangina, no? Nag-video reaction, may lumalabas-labas na mga... Wala. Parang ano lang eh, parang napadaan lang eh, video reaction niya ako.
Prime for riches on top of a hotel. Plus I have to buy him a ticket as if we owe you some type of recognition when you, out of all these sly little bitches who have never provided assistance, should know better than to try and swipe a slice of the pie from our kitchen. But I guess when you're sired by an immigrant, have no diet restrictions, and live life like the sky's the limit, and hasn't had the tiniest glimpse of what it's like to persist in the dire conditions on the islands you relinquish, let alone rise from the trenches and build an empire from the pillage, then you grow up to be an oversized, inconsiderate, conniving, insipid, slimy, opportunistic, bribe politician looking ass motherfucking dipshit.
Ang sabi ni boss, di ba ang habang rhyme scheme nun? Ang sabi ni boss, kupal daw to. Yun ang sabi niya.
Hindi ko naintindihan. Putang ka lang kasi na itong mga...
Wala kasi, hindi ka kasi nag-kinder.
mga picture.
Hoy! Your anatomical design is inconsistent. You're actually the giant of midgets. And you got a digestive system that makes you fart silent but liquid.
Pero putang ina. Alam nyo si Boss Arik, ako 5'7" ako. Pag tumatabi ako kay boss, ang laki niyan. Ang laking tao niya ni boss. Siguro mga ano yan. 5'10", 5'11". Ganun yan kalaki si boss. Putan, yung kalaban niyan, laki oh. Nanliliit siya oh. Ang laking tanga eh. Wala, na-share ko lang.
You don't know back home shit, because you're Americanized, can't envision things outside the world that you're living in. I'm not even nationalistic, yet I know both local and American shit, not because I'm Americanized, because of the world I'm a citizen. So fuck whatever you're speaking. I don't need you to give me a reason to rip you to pieces. Shit, even the embassy in Manila didn't put a check on business or leisure, since they knew I'd represent all of our people who really killed for a visa. Kain kang ebak, tangina mo.
Ina, kain kang ebak, tang ina mo. Sabi ni boss. Grabe men, putang ina. 1 out of 10, 13 sa akin yun. Tang ina. Ang sabi ni boss, yung bago yun bago niya sinabing kain kang ebak. Dahil lang, balikan natin
Shit, even the embassy in Manila didn't put a check on business or leisure, since they knew I'd represent all of our people who really killed for a visa. Kain kang ebak, tangina mo.
No, yun. Yung bago niya sinabi yung kain kang ebak. Ang sabi ni boss dito, malabo daw na matalo si boss sa araw na yan kasi Gemini siya. Gemini ang zodiac sign niya. Ayun ang sabi ni boss. Tangina, lakas nun.
Putang ina mo, taba. Lalo ka ha. Ginagalit mo ang boss namin ha.
Ayan na.
Pero lapit ko si Rarik ng sulat ng mga
Ayan
ano.
na.
Hindi, talagang nasa dugo. Malupit. Tingin ko may ano to sa isa buhay si Rarik kung normally may chance. Tingin ko. Pero hindi, parang saludo pa rin talaga sa mga writing skills si Rarik, sa mga pagtatahi niya ng mga banat niya. Pero malupit yung delivery niya dito. Parang nagkamali ako nung ano, parang tinira ko siya nung laban ko kay Sir BR. Pero ano, overall round 1, ano, titignan muna natin to si ano, si Taba. Putang ina, kain ebak to eh.
Tangina, parang politiko eh, no? Basta ginagandahan lang yung sinasabi. Wala talaga. Bilib pa naman ako sa'yo, padi. Sinayang mo.
Round 1 is on Fredo, King of the Dot. Let's go.
Hey, yo, what's good, LA?
Yun yung mga talagang spokening dollar. Oh, what's good, LA? Puking ina. Diba?
I heard King of the Dots giving me twat. Instead, y'all put two Filipinos versus each other. Y'all thinking that's hot? Look at everybody on the crowd. Hating, tripping. Everybody flipping their tops. It's alright though. Cause it shit had me thinking a lot. Like this matchup might make it to one of them hip hop history docs like my own people. on island hating on me. Instead of giving me props, they digging my plot, calling me Balikbayan. Okay, now I'm finna give them that box. Yo, listen, dog, don't play with me. Hoes, I make them obey the whole bay. It seems feed me whole grapes and their homeboys donate they weed. I'm throwing a party, yay. No
Pinoy din pala. Pinoy din pala si Fredo. Tangina ka, Fredo, pa English ka ba? Pinoy ka din pala eh.
more no-name MCs. And for those days I have no vacancy, and some of my past matchups seem so lame to me. And since KOTD is our domain host, Maitre D, we at the House of Gods, right? Yep. Yeah. Shit's gonna be like a home game for me. Yo, I'm upset, damn. I understand that you're flip top, but here on the top flip, give me cred, fam. Soon as your passport got that fresh stamp, it was Hulkamania in the Lakeland. This matchup bigger than Thriller in Manila. It's been said, damn. I said this matchup bigger than Thriller in Manila, homie. Let's dance.
Dancer siya daw.
Cause after the right cross,
Di ko naintindihan yun, pero di ko din alam kung... Pero natawa si Sir Arik. So, masaya ako para sa linya na yun.
hit you, and then that left left.
Tignan mo naman ng mga anuhan. Tama ba yan? Grabe ginagawa ng tao na to sa reaction video community. Wala akong masasabi.
It's trash over. Last bowler versus head ice. You're gonna see another dead man on the red cam. How the lamest MC think he had a game to test me? How you gonna teach all these people when you say all your statements messy and you can't even spell your name correctly? Question: are you daring or bluffing? For instance, let's take something generic in substance like what we wearing in public. Compare it. Terrible. This shit's embarrassing, cousin. Those are rare. What are those? Air Harriet Tubmans?
Oh, yun. Nakasuot daw si boss ng ano. Nakasuot daw si boss ng Taulaba 8. Saan daw yan nabili?
Yo!
Nilait yung sapatos si Sir Arik. Di ko alam kung anong brand yung sinasabi na ito ni Taba no? Pero takin na, nagagalit na ako dito. Nilalait niya Sir Enigma.
You supposed to be
Napansin ko din yun eh.
scary or something? Acting all militant for hip-hop with your fist up when you on the scene. Dirty ass Desert Storm, camouflage on all your jeans. If I wrote an autobiography using your bars and schemes, I'd probably call that shit 50 Shades of Army Green. You have hair like a bitch. And if you start bitching, I'ma ask you to grab a tampon. Cause nobody in their right mind is in here to see you chat your rap songs with Tantrum's pants on. Fuck out of my face, dog. Let's go.
Tantrum Panson. Ano ata yun? Ayun yata yung pangalan nung ano. Nung naka-invento ng unang ano. Double meaning. Tantrum Panson. Parang yun nga ata naikwento sa akin ni ano dati yun. Ni Sibyl. Tantrum Panson. Sa pagkakaalala ko parang yun.
It's on Enigma.
So yun lang yung reaction video natin.
Ay!
Round 1 lang. So yung mga gagawin kong reaction video dito, puro round 1 lang. Tingin ko kung ako... Teka, post natin ito yung medyo gwapo dahil Sir Arik.
Storing weight,
Bakit ganun?
enormous waste.
Yun. Pero kung ako tatanungin nyo kung i-judge ko tong laban na to, parang si Sir Arik ano dito eh. Bibigay ko yung round 1 ko kay Sir Arik. Kasi hindi ko lang talaga kursunada to si ano eh, tong kalaban niya. Kasi syempre, Sir Arik yan eh, may mga
Wala, di ba? Alam nyo na agad hindi pwedeng gawing judge to si ano, si Cripley. Kasi kung akong judge diyan talon-talo si boss. Talon-talo siya. Wala talaga, hindi ubra. Puta, nakita mo naman yung ano nung malaki pag binugbog ka niya, buking ina mo. 'Di ba? Ibigay mo na lang yung panalo. Ano ba naman yun? Di mo ikahina yun.
Pinagsamahan na rin kami niyan. Eto naman, kita ba, okay naman siya. Pero wala, tingin ko kahit round 1 pa lang si Sir Arik kaya nang tapatan talaga yung all 3 rounds nito ni ano.
Bias na bias, di ba? Mali yan, bro. Mali yan ginagawa mo.
Sino ba to? Si Fredo. So, yun nga pala ang unang segment natin ng reaction video. Round 1 lang. Maraming salamat at congrats kay Sir Arik sa
Wala.
laban na to, sa kanya to.
Wala, bro. Nasayang ang oras natin dito. Pero, sana magustuhan nyo pa rin. Wala tayo talagang madadampot dito kay Cripply na to. Yun na lang. Sana na-enjoy nyo.